Yeah, how's it going? It's just day three, it's like January 3rd. Nothing really exciting to talk about. Yeah, we just. What's up? We back again, and this time, bang! We doing Mustangs! That's our thing! And we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
King! Alright, so
Let's
look at some good looking Mustangs, man. Street Beasts.
yes.
6.5 in the Heat Fleet.
So this Fastback and I think the Boss 302 are my favorites. So let's go and pop this open. Street Beast, look at that. Nice card.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Which one? This card right here?
Oh. I bet you've always wanted to do that. We'll ring in the new year that way. You're not the one smashing all the cards at the store. Huh? Wow, look at that color. Okay,
Wow.
I didn't see that while it was in the blister. I didn't see it looking that good.
Wow.
Wait, there's like crap over there.
Look at that.
Oh,
like,
that looks nice.
is it kind of like, is the car red with black graphics?
Yeah.
Or is the car black with red graphics?
Yeah.
And the rims, I like the rims because look, that's different type of spokers on there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Man, if they would have did the tail lights, that would have even been more banging.
Yep. Look at that.
Ooh,
That's pretty nice.
nothing that some chrome can't fix.
Yeah, nothing. Yep.
Look at that. Wow, that is nice, dude.
So let's get that other Fastback.
Oh, so look, the paint scheme is almost the same as
as the
Ranchero. Yeah, the
Ranchero.
Ranchero. Look at that. Black and
Ooh,
red.
I
Almost
wonder
the same color, black and red,
Yeah,
bro.
we're gonna find the card. Cause
I wonder if that's
are they the
Beast.
same themes?
I don't
I
know.
don't know. Wow.
You see, folks, we do pay attention once in a great while.
Let's see. I still have the cards from that video. Oh, it's ripped off. Maybe it's on the back. No, it's Hot Wheels
Hot
trucks.
truck, yeah, okay.
Okay. But
But see?
very close.
Yeah,
Look at that.
yeah. Even the red looks almost the same, bro.
Yeah, almost the same.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I wonder if they'll put out similar looking ones. Maybe I should.
Now Hot Wheels could be like, oh crap, those guys know our secret.
Yeah.
Damn it, who's those guys?
Just recolor everything. But this hasn't been out except for the next one.
Yeah, because that's an older model.
Yeah.
This is a nice
In a
one.
while.
I thought that was Eleanor
Well,
at first.
I think Eleanor was.
Was a
Yeah. Fastback? Yeah.
was a
There
fastback.
is a Fastback. So let's pop open this one. You know what's funny is I think I have this one, but I won't have to open that one now.
Ooh, that is nice. Those rims are nice too. Which rims are those, bro?
What is that? 10 spoke?
It's the 10 spoke ones.
Yeah,
Those
same
are
one
nice.
that's on that Skyline, the
Ah,
Fast and Furious Skyline R30.
because those really glimmer, bro.
Yeah, this one's nice. I do like how this one sits. I like. Didn't they have a super treasure hunt of this Fastback?
Yeah, it's a black and blue one, I
Yeah.
think. It's not
I
that
like
nice. I mean, the casting is nice, just that the color scheme ain't.
I like this one.
So like a regular one.
I like how it sits. This one, the Boss 302 that they made.
Put it this way, that's nicer than the damn freaking treasure hunt.
Yeah. Okay, and let's get this last one, because without the originator, I think,
Yeah.
oh, this is 65. I think the original was 63 and a half, 64, 64 and a half or something.
Yeah, look at that flame. The color of the
color.
car and the flame match.
Yeah. The color is, it's like,
Oh my god, that's like so savage.
oh no, look at that.
That is so savage.
Very similar to,
Oh, there was another car that was similar to.
wasn't it that Chevy? The one with the clear hood. Was
Yeah,
that a Chevy?
the root beer.
But this one, it's got an opening hood.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, kind of weird. It's unpainted though.
Yeah.
That's right. Dollar car, right?
Yeah. Well, not exactly. That wasn't dollar.
Not
When
now.
it first came out, it was
When it first
dollar.
came out, yeah.
Not now. I like the fact they get gold rims.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Look at that tail end with that black chrome.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a sharp looking ride.
Oh, hello. Not even in the frame.
He will go, what a team me, nobody can see him.
Yeah. What are they looking at?
Those idiots looking at him. Can't even see him.
Wow. This is a good set of 3.
Yeah.
Let's take a group photo of that.
And because of the rims, the rims are already nice on them, you don't even consider that for a rim swap. I mean, you can, but because it already looks good like it is, yeah, no need.
For some reason, I think this one, it's not seated right.
The rims,
the base, there's like a gap. I don't know if you can see that because it's so dark.
I see it.
There's like a gap. So it makes it look like it's canting backwards.
Yeah.
Or the wheels kind of a little off center. Oh, I don't know. It could be just me.
Yeah, maybe it is.
Yeah. It's happened before.
Okay, so you guys have been awesome. Even though we wasn't on for a whole year.
By the time this hits,
it would have been a year?
Be
Okay, they were almost close to a year. We haven't celebrated our full 1 year on YouTube yet, but we'd like to thank you guys, all you guys that like and subscribe, that hit the bell, that watch our stuff all the way through, that no watch them halfway. Go ahead. Then you dig out, and you know what I mean? Thanks. Like, for real, from both of us to you guys, we do appreciate that. We'll be back with more stuff, and we'll also be taking a different route to do different things. Hopefully it works out. We don't mess that up like we do this. But anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for everything, and from us two, from
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
we'll be back. We see you next time. Shoots!